uh, so first we have to take this one. See, this is a one by, first we have to take this one from your main equation, then you have to do reciprocal whatever they are asking, then you have to put a value in the last in this one. Which value? These two values. Okay. Next question is question number 39th.
Sir, we can leave that.
What?
Leave that question.
The 39th you don't want?
Sir, I mean it's easy to solve.
Acha. And then 40th?
Sir, 40th we need.
Acha, okay.
So this is percentage type question. We can directly solve it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let us check. See this question. Try to solve, all of you. The population of the village is 5,000. If in a year the number of males were to increase 5% and that of a female by 3% annually, the population would grow to 5202 at the end of year. Find the number of male and females in the village. This is a very easy question. Very easy question. Tell me how. See, total population is
We have
TP.
to take X and Y.
Don't take let and y. You take this one. No, one variable only will take. That is better. One variable. That is, suppose total population is 5,000. No. So take one variable, that is easier to solve. So suppose your male is how much? Male you take it as X. So female, what you can take for female? Female you can take 5,000 minus X. You can take X and Y, not a problem. That also you can do. So total population is 5,000. Male is X, female is 500 minus X. Now, if in a year the number of males to be increased 5%. So 5% of X and 3% of what? 5,000 minus X. Okay. This should be equal to how much? See, 202 got increased, no? So you can write here 202. Understood what I've written? Means increased part of male and increased part of female is nothing but 202. Now what we can do here? 1 by 100 you can take common. In here you can write 5x plus 5 3s are 15,000 minus 3x is equals to 202. So you can write here 5x minus 3x, 2x plus 15,000 is equals to 20200. So 2x is equal to 20200 and 15,000. What will come? 002 and 15,200. But x is equals to what are you getting? 7 2s are 14, 2 600. But they're asking what? Find the number of males and females in the village. The number of male in the village they're asking. So male is how much? Is coming something else, no?
Sir, it's better to use X and Y. Sir. I mean, we can get a quadratic equation from.
Here also we should get, no? Why here also? Why
So this will be solved in the process of linear equation, pair of linear equation two variables. I'm just getting the
one variable we can't do.
I don't know about the one variable. It will just get complicated.
Okay, let us think one. We are not doing mistake anywhere, no? Let me think first. See, total village population is 5,000. Male is X. So female is 5,000 minus X. So male is increasing by 5% and that of female is 3%. the population will grow to 5202. At the end of year, find the number of males and females in the village. So 1 by 100 we have taken common from this. So 5x plus 15,000 minus x minus 3x. Okay, let us check by double, but this is like, how it can become this wrong only will come now like this if I do. 15,000, how here 15 will come? Only 5 will be there, no? 5,200 will come, right? So this is 2,600. So answer came, right now?
Yes.
sir. Yes.
So why not? It should come only, obviously it should come. You can do by two method also, not a problem. So this is easier, no problem. You want to do two variables? Shall I do with two variables? Tell me.
Sir, I have done, sir.
Sir, it's we can solve by 2.
Anyway, you can solve, not a problem. No doubt in this till now, right?
No, sir.
Okay. Next question is, you have sent next question as 1 minute. Copy and then see the next question is, yeah, see this question. If A, B, C, D are to be 4 point in a plane, then ABCD is what? Rhombus, square, parallelogram, rectangle. They should find AB, BC, right? A, B, C, D. So you can find AB. What is AB is coming? AB is nothing but 4 square and plus 1 square, root 17, right?
Root 17. Yeah.
Then BC will be a 1 and then 1. Root 2 will come, right? BC will come root 2. Root 2 only will come, no? 3 minus 2 and 2 minus 1. Yeah, root 2 only. And this is okay. CD is what? How much CD?
I think it's a rectangle.
Rectangle only. Okay. CD is 4
I was
and 1.
confused parallelogram.
Sir,
and
sir,
rectangle.
sir. It's a parallelogram because
Rectangle will
find
not
the
come.
diagonals, we can find whether it is.
AD
Just let me
is
check whether it is.
1 1 root 2. So if you find AC, what will come AC? Just check. AC is 3 9 9 and 4 root 13. And what about BD? BD is 3 to 5 25. 25 plus 1 26. So this is not rectangle. This is not rectangle.
Yeah. It's a parallelogram.
Not
It's a parallelogram, right?
opposite sides are equal. So parallelogram. It's see, a square is not never possible. Rectangle is never possible. Rhombus. Why not rhombus?
Rhombus has equal sides like square.
The rhombus is also not possible. So only one option, that is parallelogram only. And parallelogram is nothing but opposite sides are equal. Angle we can't find here. Why to find angle? That's it. Okay. Next question.
Sir, if the diagonals are equal, it's a rectangle.
Yeah, if diagonals are equal, then it's a rectangle. Yes. So next question is, you are having question of trigonometry now.
Sir, I don't think it's trigonometry.
I've not seen, but it's only seen. I don't know which
The
triangle is.
triangles.
The triangles, not trigonometry. Yeah. So this is the question. See here in the given figure, x is what? KP PL 46 46 XABC. So they're asking x. This x they're asking here.
Sir, we can do it by similar triangles.
Similar triangles. This triangle is similar to complete triangles, right? A small triangle KPN.
Yeah.
It's similar to triangle KLM. Okay. So here this is 46 degree. Angle N is 46. Angle M is 46. Rest what you can do, if these two angles are equal, then which angle is equal again? Then by which
Sir,
method you can?
getting AC by B.
No. How this both are
AC by
similar?
B plus C, sir. AC by B plus C.
No, that's fine. First, how this is similar?
So
That's my
like
question.
LM
Yeah, they
by
are parallel.
MK equals to PN by NK.
First, similar should be there. No, this both should be similar, right?
Like
Sir,
this.
they are parallel, right? And they have a common angle.
Where
And
they've given parallel, where they've given.
without parallel also we can do, as they have a common angle K, and 46 degree and 46 degree are equal.
Yes,
So we can
common angle K. Yes, by AA similarity,
Yes,
triangle
exactly.
KPN is similar to triangle. Similar means not this has become congruent. Similar you should write only like this. Similar to triangle KLM. So we can write what here? X is equals to, should write no. Tell how AC is coming here.
LM by MK
Sir, we can do by the
equal to
ratio, right?
NPN by NK.
LM by
MK.
MK. LM by MK, how you can write?
So why not pass? It's said like the whole big triangle, right?
This one you're doing.
Yes.
Hey, this is see this one triangle here.
Sir,
LM
we
by
can directly do it, right? X
here
by
only
A
can
equals to C by B plus C. So
see
we
from
cross
if these two triangles are similar, you can write it as KP by KL is equals to PN by LM is equals to KN by KM, right? So
yeah.
KP and KL is not given to you, right? Leave this. PN and LM is given. PN is X and LM is A is equals to KN, you know, C. KM is
C.
B plus C. Now X is equal to AC divided by B plus C. Understood, Praharshan?
There it's the same thing. But like I took two of the sides similar to the other.
You are saying something LM by MK. I didn't understand how you are doing LM by MK.
Is equal to PN by NK.
Is equal to PN
Similar. PN by NK.
NK, like this one you're saying.
PN. At the
PM.
top.
Acha.
PN.
PN, right? Okay,
Yes. Then
same.
substitute the.
Okay, understood. Same thing. Yeah, fine. So LM and this one. It's correct. Fine. Okay, fine. Next, this was the last question, I think, yours, right?
Yes.
Anyone else having any doubts or something? Any questions?
No.
Any one of you?
No, sir.
No. The last class, what we are doing, that only proceed further. Which triangle we are doing? Coordinate only, right?
Yeah.
You are doing coordinates. Let me open that only. Why you all of you not open? Praharshan or others? What happened to you people? You are full of the camera and sitting down. What is this? One. Let me open this. Polynomials. You are having this now, this PDF you are having. Do you have solved any questions from coordinate which you are not able to solve or something? Any questions,
Coordinate
doubt?
we have completed, right?
Coordinate we have finished.
Yeah.
Praharshan, do you have any doubts in coordinate still?
No, sir.
Then which question, which chapter we should proceed further? Tell me. You people will tell me so that we do. Huh?
Coordinate was the last one we had left.
Coordinate last part you want.
No, sir. Coordinate was the last part that was left, and we are done with this.
Okay. Then next what to do? Which chapter we should do? Area of circles also. So many things we have repeated again and again, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
Probability is also coming for you people.
sir. There's nothing in probability, sir.
But it's coming for you, right? Probability also.
Yes, sir.
But we have not revised probability from this book, I think. From this book, we have not revised.
Sir, we never touched it as well.
Uh, but when we are doing the probability, we are doing full deep question we have done. You remembered so deep questions we have done apart from CBSE also. Javin was answering fast. So let's check once probability if any question, but no use of it, right? And everyone is. Drishi, any chapter you suggest? Anyone, any chapter which you may have doubt?
No, sir.
So I should search some questions, then I should come back to this class. Okay, anyway, just do right now for probability only. And the moment I should go, then
Sir,
from
we can practice those case based from the probability PDF.
case study.
Yeah, we haven't practiced.
Okay,
this
from here
yet.
we'll start 301 and see the question. No, it's not there. No, 1 minute. You can't see PDF. 1 minute. I'll take the screenshot. So here it is. I'll write here probability. क्या है वो पेट और दर्द करेगा So probability first question is see what is the answer for this. Write in the chat box only, all of you. A bag contains 15 white and some black balls. The probability of drawing the black ball from the bag is thrice that of drawing the white ball. What is the number of black balls in the bag? Different kind of probability.
45.
45. Okay. How 45 others?
It's written thrice, no, sir.
Bag contains 15 white and some black balls. If probability of drawing a black ball from the bag is thrice that of white ball. Probability of black ball from the bag. Drawing the black ball. Actually, thrice the drawing. What is the number of Acha? It's very easy, no?
Yeah, it's 45.
45 only, right? So looks like typical difficult question, but nothing was there in that.
So can you please check the 183rd number?
183.
Yeah.
Okay. You are not able to solve that 183.
I felt it a bit harder.
Actually, you should Try, then you'll get right.
Yeah.
183. 1 minute. So they have made one figure and all. They have made, huh? Question is bit looks bigger, but I don't know answer how the answer will be. A hydrofoil is a lifting surface. A hydrofoil is a lifting surface or foil that operates in water. They are similar in appearance and purpose to aerofoils used by aeroplanes. Boats that use hydrofoil technology are also simply termed hydrofoils. As a hydrofoil craft gains speed, the hydrofoils lift the boat hull out of the water, decreasing drag and allowing greater speeds. Inter-island waterways has just opened hydrofoil service between several islands. The hydrofoil is powered by two engines, one forward and one aft, and will operate if either of the two engines is functioning. Due to testing and past experience, the company knows the probability of the aft engine failing is 0.05. Probability of the forward engine failing is 0.03, and probability of that both fail is what? 0.13. What is the probability of hydrofoil completes the next trip? So this is not of your level question. This is PUC first level, means in the for 12th class you are already know. For them this
Yeah.
is there. So this you should find like this. I'm telling if you want, what is the probability that hydrofoil completes this next trip? The they're asking here, this is the engine fail. This is your, again, forward engine fail. This is both fail, right? So PA union B is equals to PA plus PB plus minus PA intersection B. This is a formula of probability what you are having. So 0.05, 0.03, and here is minus 0.013.
Minus?
1
Okay.
minute.
It must be plus.
1 minute. 0.08 is coming here, and minus
It's a
0.01.
simple question, I think. The answer must be C.
C.
0.987. Yeah, I think
987.
it is.
Wait here.
Because
If, huh?
we can directly subtract it because the boat will not stop if one of the engine fails.
7 minus 6. 716. This is coming something different and all. Let me check. So here Island is saying experience the company knows the probability that aft engine fail is 0.05. Probability of forward engine failing is 0.03, and both fails. Means both means A intersection B. Both fails is 0.013. The hydrofoil completes its trip. What to do? Simple means what you should do, only subtract this one. That's it. Means 1 minus 0.013. That you are saying.
Yeah, I am saying this because the boat will not stop if either of its engines stop. So it will only stop if both stops.
When they are saying the both will at a time, they will both will fail. If front will fail, then what will do? This is the probability only for what? If both engine fails. Okay. 0.013 is the probability of both engine fails. Means A union B both.
Yeah.
So how only 1 minus you should do that one?
We have to put our own logic here.
Own logic. Mhm. 0. Mhm. Mhm. Yeah, Drishi, you were telling something in this, what we can do further.
Sir, in the question, they told that it will work only if any one of the engines is working. So it will not work if both of the engines is not working, then which is the probability is given 0.013. And then
Acha,
they're asking the probability that it will complete its step. So
Hmm.
that'll be 1 minus 0.013.
Acha, it's given that one. What is the probability of head? Acha, if any one is working, then it's this will work, right? Then it's yeah, correct. I have not read. Where is that mentioned? If any one of the engine is working, then it's work. Which line is mentioned here? Due to testing and pipes, the company knows the probability of engine fails P. Okay, here the given here, this one. The hydrofoil is powered by two engines, one forward and one aft will operate if either of the two engines is functioning. Okay, this is the only line, so we should go for this. Yeah, correct. Then 1 minus 0.013. So answer is this one. That is a line what we should read here. If we not read, gone. See here. This is the only line. Okay, next question is 184. Fire station gets an emergency call from a shopping mall in the mid afternoon. From a study of traffic patterns, Chief Fire Officer DK Jain knows the probability the most direct route is clogged with traffic is 0.11, while the probability of the secondary route being clogged is 0.13. The probability both are clogged is 0.03. What is the probability that they can respond to the call unimpeded? Unimpeded using one of these routes. Which option is correct over here? On the camera, children, how many times you should tell everyone? Others, why you people are off on camera? Only Drissy was owning that time. And if this will get closed, then I'll just have to remind everyone. What is the answer for this? A fire station gets an emergency call from a shopping mall in the mid-afternoon. From the study of traffic pattern, Chief Officer DK Jain knows the probability the most direct route is clogged with traffic is 0.11, while the probability of the secondary route is clogged by 0.13 and both 0.03. What is the probability that they can respond to the call unincluded using the routes? What is the answer for this? Yeah, Samas, tell which option is correct over here. What is the probability that they respond to the call unimpeded using one of the routes? One of the routes. Impeded. 97, 98,
Sir,
90.
I think this answer is incorrect.
What
Incorrect.
is unimpeded?
Means without any disturbance.
Sir, I am getting this that 99.97%.
99.
0.97%. So I think it might be 97%.
90. Oh my god, shit, फिर से चला गया ये. कितने बार लाइट जा रहा है जी आज समझ में नहीं आ रहा.